If you're considering Assignar for your church management software needs, there are a few key things you need to know before making your decision. While Assignar is a strong contender in the field, it's important to understand how it compares to other options and whether it's the best fit for your church's needs. Stick around until the end to find out if it's the right choice, and we'll also show you a better solution that you can try for free. First, Assignar is known for its focus on simplifying administrative tasks. It offers features like scheduling, communication, and volunteer management, which can save time for church leaders and staff. But, compared to other church management software like Planning Center or Breeze, Assignar's range of features is somewhat limited, especially when it comes to financial tracking or donation management. Next thing, Assignar integrates well with existing tools like Google Calendar and Zoom, making it easier to schedule meetings and events. However, it doesn't offer as many integrations as competitors, such as Planning Center, which provides a wider array of third-party integrations. If you're looking for seamless integration with a variety of platforms, this could be a drawback. The third thing you should know is that Assignar has a user-friendly interface. It's designed to be simple for both church staff and volunteers to use, which is great for non-technical users. However, while it's easy to navigate, it doesn't have the level of customization that other software, like Church Community Builder, provides. If your church requires highly tailored features, this could be a limitation. The fourth thing is Assignar's customer support. The company provides decent customer service through email and chat, but compared to alternatives like Rock RMS, Assignar support can sometimes be slow to respond. If you rely heavily on support, this might cause frustration during critical moments. Next, let's talk about pricing. Assignar offers competitive pricing for smaller to mid-sized churches, making it a budget-friendly option. However, for larger churches with more complex needs, the pricing can quickly scale up. If you're working with a larger congregation or have specialized needs, you might find that other software like Planning Center offers more scalable pricing models that fit better. The sixth thing you need to know is that Assignar focuses heavily on scheduling and attendance tracking, which is great for organizing services and events. But it lacks some of the deeper reporting and analytics tools found in other platforms like Breeze or Rock RMS. If you need detailed reports to make informed decisions, Assignar may not be your best option. The seventh point to consider is Assignar's mobile app. It offers a mobile-friendly experience, but again, it's not as robust as some of the other mobile apps from competitors. The mobile experience in other software, like ChurchTrack, provides more functionality for on-the-go management of your church. Next thing, Assignar is particularly strong in volunteer management. If your church has a lot of volunteer-based programs, it allows for easy sign-ups, scheduling, and communication. However, this is something that's also well addressed by competitors like Church Teams, which has a slightly more polished volunteer management system. The ninth thing is Assignar's limited financial management features. If you need to track donations, process payments, or generate financial reports, you might want to look at other options like Planning Center or Breeze, which offer much stronger financial tools. Next, Assignar does offer some basic communication tools, such as email campaigns and text messaging. But again, these features are quite basic when compared to what's available in platforms like Church Community Builder, which offers a wider variety of communication options, including social media integration. The 11th point is that Assignar has good security features, but it doesn't offer the same depth of data protection and backup options as more enterprise-focused solutions. If your church handles sensitive member data, you may want to consider platforms like Rock RMS, which offer more comprehensive security features. Finally, Assignar's reporting tools are relatively basic, which might work for smaller churches, but could be limiting for larger organizations. Competitors like Breeze and Planning Center offer more in-depth and customizable reports that can help track attendance, donations, and overall growth. So, while Assignar is a good option for churches looking for an affordable and easy-to-use solution for scheduling and volunteer